$200.21 in about 60 minutes before my feet even hit my slippers, before I even wiped the crust out of my eyes. I woke up to some affiliate commissions this morning, some Warrior Plus commissions. The first was $8.48. The next one was $176.08. And the last one was $15.65, which is a grand total of $221 in affiliate commissions. And here's the honest truth. I didn't generate these commissions by posting a video on YouTube or posting a TikTok or messaging people on Facebook. I merely made these commissions by simply sending emails. Now, in this video today, I want to show you guys a few things that you can actually implement in your affiliate marketing business that can generate you daily commissions, and you don't have to do all the hard work by creating videos or becoming a brand or becoming a guru. You just have to do these few things that I'm going to teach you in this video, and it's all centered around sending emails. Let's jump to it. So do me a favor first, if you get any value from this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you get any value. All right, so let's gonna jump right into this video. So in general, what are we doing here when we're talking about emailing and making money with affiliate commissions? So in general, what you're gonna be doing is you're going to be amassing a contact list or an email list of people that are actually interested in a specific niche or specific products and services that you want to sell. So basically you're going to need a tool that's going to be able to do that, to collect names and email addresses, and then you're going to be able to send offers to these people on a day-to-day basis to actually get them to purchase the products and services that you're going to sell. So we break this down into three different parts. We're going to talk about how do you actually start collecting email addresses and how you get the traffic, and then we're going to talk a little bit about offers that you guys can go ahead and start promoting that can get you guys moving forward to making some of those daily commissions. So the actual tool that I use to collect those names and email addresses is a tool called Leadpages. Now, there's a lot of page building softwares that are out there. There's ClickFunnels, there's Kartra, there's Builderall, there's a ton of them out there. I've used pretty much all of them, but I really like Leadpages because it's very simple and it's actually very cost effective to some of the other marketing pages that are out there. Now, here within Leadpages, you're going to be able to create simple pages such as this to basically entice people to go ahead and put in their name and their email address, and then get some information here on this page is saying some free training, and they're going to be able to opt in to get that free training. But once they opt in, obviously I can give them information on what they're actually looking for, but then I can also sell them a product or a service that's going to get them to that desired result. And when you're actually promoting your squeeze pages, you want to keep it very simple. You don't want it to be very elaborate, especially with the traffic sources that we're going to be using. I'm going to talk about that next. And so you want to keep it very simple, a headline, and then opt in with their first name and their email address, and then a button for them to go ahead and click on to the next page of your funnel. Now, like I said, guys, I use leadpages.com. I'll actually have a link for this in the description. They always have a 14-day free trial that you guys can go ahead and check it out to see if it's for you. But essentially, when you click through the link in the description, you're going to click on pricing up here. You're going to toggle over to the monthly pay plans, and you can see the standard package that you're going to need is about $49 a month. And this is really a drop in the bucket because you're going to need this. This is what you're going to be using, the tool that you're going to use to actually build your list. And it's going to make you so much more money than spending the $49 a month. So highly recommend you guys check out Leadpages. Again, you can get the 14-day trial to go in there and play with it to see if this is something that you want to keep long term. But it has worked out for me. It's cost effective and it actually gets the job done. So next, let's talk about the traffic sources that I've been using to actually make these routine affiliate commissions on a day-to-day basis. So I've talked about this in the previous videos here recently, and I've been using a traffic method called solo ad or email marketing traffic. And so what that means is I basically find bigger marketers that have huge lists, and I basically tap into their list. So I don't have to go in and out there and try to generate my own traffic or anything like that. I basically just say, hey, marketer with a huge list, will you send my squeeze page or my offer to your actual list? And that's what actually happens. So right now, in terms of the actual traffic that I've been using, I am very bullish on TrafficBlade.com. They just actually send some really great traffic, premium traffic, and I always get conversions, multiple conversions with this traffic source. And so essentially what you want to do, I'll have a link in the description for Traffic Blade, but you want to click on Get Traffic here at the top. And then you want to click on one of these traffic packages. And again, there are two different levels. There's the tier 1, 100% tier 1 countries here. And this is the traffic packages that you want to purchase from. There is a beginner marketers package here, but they're only 70% tier 1 countries. So I would highly recommend you stay with the expert marketing packages. And I also highly recommend that you try to get at least 500 visitors to your squeeze page. And that's just going to give you the ability to get a lot more people through the actual squeeze page, more emails, more leads through your funnel, and more people actually seeing the actual offers that you're going to be promoting. And so I would recommend the 500 leads. So you would just click on Get Started here. And then I'm going to give you guys an actual code to get a 22% discount. If you click here on coupon code, you're going to type in JON735. That's JON735. You're going to click on apply coupon, and that's going to give you that discount. So you can see that you can get that 500 tier 1 visitor package for only $284. And this traffic is actually converting. As you can see, this morning I generated $200 alone with this traffic. And this is not all the money that I've generated with this actual campaign that I've been running. So you can see that it's been super profitable for me. The last thing we need to talk about is the actual offers. What do you need to be selling in terms of affiliate products and services that are out there? Now, I would recommend, if you're doing solo ads, these people don't know you, like you, and trust you at the point that they actually opt into your page. They don't know who you are. They don't trust you. So I would actually recommend you guys sell low cost, irresistible offers that people will pull the trigger with, especially if it's about $10 or less on the front end. Now, one of the platforms that I actually use when I'm utilizing solo ad traffic is Warrior Plus. Now, Warrior Plus is a big network that's been around for a very long time, and they're mostly in the make money online niche. And what you can do is you can go on Warrior Plus and find a ton of offers, irresistible offers for very low cost. The front end product is usually under $10, and then there's multiple upsells that people can purchase that can make your whole visitor value grow in terms of its actual revenue. So if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, you can go ahead and go over to warriorplus.com and just click on sign up. And then if I take a look at the dashboard, basically you want to click on dashboard and you want to click on offers, and you can see all the offers here with Warrior Plus. There's tons of offers and tons of products that launch every single day. I highly would recommend that you pay attention to offers that have been around for a little while, that have a success of sales and actually the conversion rate, because that's going to tell you a lot, like how well are the products converting, and then those products that have a pretty low refund rate. So you want to try to keep a low refund rate in comparison to the sales. I try to pick products that have a 3% refund rate or less if possible. Sometimes I'll go a little bit higher depending on the amount of sales that the actual product has. Now, I know this was a very quick video, and we talked about a squeeze page tool, we talked about building our list, we talked about getting traffic, and we talked about offers. Now, a lot of that might sound daunting to you, and you might be thinking to yourself, how in the world am I going to put all of this together? Well, what I wanted to bring your attention to is a program called Passive Income Profits. And this program was created by a marketer called Benjamin Go. I actually interviewed him on my channel at one point, and he is a marketer that created a huge list over 130,000 people on his email list, and he's extremely successful with doing email marketing. And he actually created Passive Income Profits for people that are struggling, that want to build a business online with actual email marketing. And he has 3 different levels of mentorship. I would say he has the kind of done a with you program where you can get videos and you can kind of do it yourself, all the way up to his inner circle where everything is literally done for you and you get coaching along with this, ongoing coaching, and he basically kind of sticks with you until you start generating a minimum of $5,000 a month. So I'm going to actually leave the link in the description for Benjamin Go's Passive Income Profits, and you guys can check out the different membership levels here, and it has all the other information here as well. I actually link our interview video as well, so you guys can check out that. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just want you guys to know that the main thing that you have to learn when you're doing email marketing is consistency. That word should be plastered all over your workstation, is consistency. So you want to consistently get good premium traffic. You want to consistently build your list. You want to consistently mail your list and consistently repeat the process over and over and over again. And the more traffic you get, the more leads you get into your funnel, the bigger your list get. You'll actually start to see those consistent commissions on a day-to-day basis just coming in, but you have to stay the course. It doesn't happen like right away, so I don't want you guys to think that it's going to happen day one, but it does happen if you stay consistent. So again, if you guys need any help, go in the description below and check out Passive Income Profits. I'll also link all the resources that we talked about in this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.